Hi guys, I'm showing you this Crave USA Pixel 6a case. You can see it comes in a nice pack, and then this is a new Pixel 6a that comes by Google, and this case is really protective. The diamond cutting inside, you can see the design for more protection, the sides and the corners. And this is the phone 6a. I'm just putting in it. It fits really well, easy to put, and you can see all the corners are fit really well. The buttons are working fine, and this is the power button, or the other side, the corner is all protected, so it will protect the screen as well. And you can see like this charging port and speaker fits really nice. With this one little bit curved to protect the camera and everything. As a nice case fit. I'm showing you like this charging, and you can see that it's easy to put my cable in, and the charging started. The corner smooth, the buttons are working fine, so no issue with its capture. Overall, it's a very nice case for Pixel 6a.